This is an article from the BBC, and it talks about a million-year-old skull that rewrites human evolution. And it's by a guy called Pallab Ghosh. He's the science correspondent. So this is the skull in question. Well, it's a replica of the skull in question. And the article says, a million-year-old human skull was found in China that suggests that our species, Homo sapiens, began to emerge at least 500,000 years earlier than we thought. The study also shows that we coexisted with other sister species, including Neanderthals, for much longer than we'd been led to believe. The scientists claim that their analysis totally changes our understanding of human evolution. Of course, there are other experts that disagree with this and say that it's far from certain. The scientists themselves were surprised by the result and said, from the very beginning, when we got the result, we thought it was unbelievable. How could that be so deep in the past? And this was a quote from Professor Ji Yong Ni of Fudan University, who co-led the analysis. Initially, they thought or assumed that it was an earlier ancestor to ours, maybe Homo erectus, the first of the large-brained humans. And that's only because it's dated back 1 million years. And Homo erectus eventually evolved and began to diverge 600,000 years ago into the Neanderthals and our current species, Homo sapien. The new analysis, however, that's been reviewed suggests that it's not Homo erectus. It is now thought to be an early version of Homo longi, a sister species at a similar level of development to the Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens. So genetic evidence suggests it's existed alongside them. So if Yongxiang 2, which is what it's called, walked the Earth 1 million years ago, scientists are rethinking it and wonder if maybe Neanderthals and more modern humans did too. So this is a dramatic shift in the timeline of the evolution of the large-brained humans, which puts it back 1 million years. So this million-year-old fossil gives us the clue that maybe there's another million-year-old fossil of a Homo sapien somewhere.